my son. I found you a new heart. I just need to tell you a few things. I want you always to listen to your mum, because she's your best friend. And family is so important. And girls, you're too young for them now. But when the time comes, treat them like princesses, because that's what they are. And if you say you'll do so, if you say you'll do something, do it, because your word should be your bond. If you have a chance to make money, go for it. Even if you have to sell out once in a while, don't be an idiot like your dad. Everything's so much easier with money. Don't smoke. Don't take drugs. Try to be kind and honest. If someone tries to hurt you, be a man and stand up for yourself. And try not to get caught up in bad things. There's so many good things out there. I will always be here for you. Right here. See you later, son.